Alrighty, here we are back at HBS Battletech. Last time, we screwed over the pirates, so now we're paying our due diligence and help them out again, defending a base this time. How original. On a lunar planet. How original. Our covert operatives on the planet have located a secret local government facility that's been abandoned. We have a team inbound to this planet to strip the facility of everything valuable, but our people on the surface trip some sort of alarm, which means the original owners are probably on their way to level the place and ensure we can't salvage anything. We need you and your people to occupy that base and keep it intact until our team arrives.
Command interface initiated.
Fantastic, bro. It looks like they're probably gonna be coming in from over there, so what are they gonna do?
Location confirmed.
Sprint him over. Run him up.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Run him up mid.
Heading out.
Something like this. What the fuck did you just...
Bandits!
Yeah, there you are. Up. There we go. Locust. Where's the rest?
Yep.
Where the fuck is the rest?
Yes, Commander.
Think I'm gonna target lock on the spider.
I've got a sensor lock.
Ready for orders.
Yeah.
What's up, boss? Affirmative.
I know I shouldn't push up too ahead just in case it start coming around town, but honestly,
Fires on target.
uh-oh.
Think I hit something good. What can I do for you? I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh.
Dang, you're dead.
Mess them up. Mess them up good.
Oh no. I'm devastated. Whatever shall I do? Gotta
What do you need?
get the Hermangadarings.
Confirmed.
Run you around that direction. Wait a minute. Guess I'm destroying the enemy vanguard.
Sensors locked on.
Standing by.
Oh no, is your shit about to get pushed in?
Roger.
Ah, well guess. Oh, is that a Centurion? Let's do an Alpha Strike. Do it an Alpha Strike.
Firing with full alpha.
Oh, how about that? Where did that come from? It just exploded. Straight up tinderbox.
Hostile eliminated.
I've got eyes on hostile reinforcements.
We got
We're
more
heading your way.
dickheads coming in. Alrighty. Well, Shisa.
Waiting for orders.
Heading out.
Put
put that in your pipe and smoke it. What are you? What are you? Okay. That's a lance.
Good to go. Moving to position.
Here, I actually don't think I can, so I'm just gonna like
Engaging target.
it's -1 to evasion. Oh, rook. Me. Blast them. There we go.
Waiting for orders.
Is that straight?
Uh-huh.
Straight. Okay. Yeah, but it's a little.
Tell me what to do.
Oof.
Yeah, critical hit.
Oh. You want to scrap, you son of a bitch?
Reporting minimal damage.
Receiving you. Copy that.
30 ton. I'm guessing you two are commandos. Unless you're just another spider. But in the meantime, let's get a lock on you.
Got a lock.
Yep, spider 1. Spider 2 in this case. Spider 3. Wait a minute. Another LRM locust. That's fine, I guess. Oh dear. This is starting to... You know what they say, that history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure does rhyme. So far, it's almost word for word, syllable for syllable, rhyme for fucking rhyme. Okay.
Orders.
Yeah, how about in your face?
My weight into it. Reporting critical hit.
Yeah.
Engaging multiple targets.
Waiting on you, Commander.
Huh. This is actually a pretty good trolley problem going on right
Got it.
here. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't... Shoot. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. And I don't need you. If I just fire right into you.
Uh-huh. Gotcha.
It's probably overkill, but whatever gets the job done. to pull one of these maneuvers.
Roger.
Yeah. Fire.
Got it.
You're really hammering that tower. Uh-oh. Fair enough. That was in my ass. Okay.
Yes, Commander. I copy.
No need.
Splitting fire. Inflicted some heavy damage.
Actually, yeah. Let's get some weight in. Let's get some heat off of you real quick.
Engaging physical attack. Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
I hear ya.
Do you though? Oh,
Moving out.
really? That's how you feel? Okay, boom, bang. Yeah.
You get a headshot, and you get a headshot.
That sucked a little bit.
They're coming around the side.
Huh. In the end, you get
Commander.
nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. Actually, what if I...
Here we go.
Too much, too much, too much, too much.
Engage. Hostile removed.
There we go. There it
A
goes.
friendly structure has been destroyed.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Careful, they're looping around back.
Still no structure exposed. I'm just peachy.
Commander.
What if I did, though? Oh, is it-
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Receiving you. On my way.
Bing. Pow. Huh.
Multiple enemies locked in.
Get wrecked.
Commander?
I want you to punch him square in the jaw. Actually, no.
Coordinates received.
We're gonna do one of these maneuvers. Yes. Yes.
Firing on target.
Oh!
Critical hit.
Whoa! What the fuck? Damn, bro. Oh. You got machine guns, right? Yeah, there they
Oh, you bastards.
are. Oh, his first day back and you hit him in the...
Commander.
You know, screw you too. Get hit by the shoebox,
Hostile
motherfucker.
eliminated.
You are severely hampered mobility-wise.
Waiting
You
for
fought
orders.
bravely, little Van.
On my way.
Oh well. Say good night. Skedaddle.
Acknowledged. Target eliminated. Watch my back.
Mission successful.
Increase in pay. Hell yeah. So far, everything's looking pretty good. The set needs some work done on the structure because I cooked it a little bit, but that's fine. That is just peachy. I could sell a spider. I think I could get more money off of a spider. Yeah. Gotta try to get the most money I can out of this, and the rest is just things. Okay. Yep. Confine. Alrighty. That was pretty silly, to say the least.
That mech is ready to fight, Commander.
Yep. I want you to get sold. Bye-bye. Oh. Let's see, what else? I want to keep you. I still want to keep you. Sell you. That's right. Scrap it. Scrap you too. Scrap you. Alrighty. Let's check out what's his nuts.
Waiting for orders.
You are just accident prone, aren't you? Cancel. Reset. Overheat threshold, yeah.
Training confirmed, Commander.
Commander?
Good to go.
Good to go.
That's right. Attacks with a single weapon ignore covering guarded on target. Which is super cool, but +2 health reset. Base melee sprint, max sprint, reset. Base weapon hit.
Training
yeah.
complete.
Give me that. What can I do for ship upgrades? Upgrade is in progress. Never mind. Let me check out the store. This store. You got a trench bucket. You got a warhammer. You got a victor. You got a blackjack. I already have one of those. You're kind of mid, to be fair, and so are you. That's what I need. I don't need you. You'd be great to have. You're on crack if I'm gonna consider buying that at that price. Are you fucking nuts? I could put you in the Jenner, right? But that's still a steep price for what it is. Refit. Well, yeah. Repair. Here, let me check you out. Okay, you got a rangefinder. You got junk jets. Stock combat roll. Unities run hot, and if they run fast, they quickly come bound to combat deliver a knockout punch, even against heavier units. Their capabilities to be tends to be expensive lower over fast. Yeah, well, shit happens. Fast striker cavalry. This is true. But where's the... Would it cost a ton for me to run that thing? Shoot, I don't even know. I'm surprised it doesn't let me go on the, okay. I'm pretty sure I could do that some other time. Griffin's fine, trying to find the Thunderbolt's fine, and go back to the Argo. And that ship upgrades in 12 days. Actually, during then, what can we do for forward observers? Our scouts have observed compelling military units covertly surveying. Okay, I could do that real quick. Here, allow me to wait for that refit to finish.
That work order you submitted is complete.
There we go. Now we're cooling gas. Alright, let's go be some fisters. That sounded a lot more innocent in my head. Alright, Dekker, you're up. Yep. Skibbity bapa, skibbity bay. Like getting a catapult or something like that would be pretty cool, or even finishing off on that Marauder. That'd be like primo fire support platform right there.
Command interface initiated.
Got solid intel. So clear him out. Too easy. Oh, Dekker running up mid.
Acknowledged.
Nothing. Okay.
Affirmative.
Enemy turn. Yeah, that Skyline's is coming up, so probably a shit ton of lights. Oh really, you don't say.
Coordinates received.
Don't need to.
I've got eyes on hostile reinforcements. They're heading your way.
Okay. Let them come.
We've got an unknown on sensors. Waiting for orders.
Yeah, he's on the brink right there. Lock it.
Sensors locked on.
Okay. Got a whole lance out there, or you're just happy to see me? 20, that's maybe Locust. Locust IV, okay. Jenner, another Jenner. You missed. No big surprise.
Waiting for orders.
Oh, let's see here. We're kind of getting flanked, so I really don't want to do that right now. So I'm gonna have to find a way how to outmaneuver these light mechs the best way I know how. Unfortunately, that also requires me to be direct with them. Which means an alpha strike on this locust right here. Yo. That was a lucky shot. That was in the leg. I can't really afford to be direct, but I can't afford to hose down this locust.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Okay, 12 damage, that's fine. Thunderbolt shrugs that off easily.
Waiting on you, Commander. Coordinates received.
Hit him.
Roger that. Firing on target.
It's go time.
Alrighty.
Light damage, Commander.
What's up, boss? Affirmative.
Hose him.
Locked on. One more for the trash heap.
Fuck yeah, bro. Uh-oh. Structure exposed. That's rough. Okay.
Ready for orders. On the move.
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do like a side sweep going on here. You take the laser, you take the AC. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna suck, but
Copy that.
damn. Okay. Still nothing. Yeah. Didn't think so.
Internal structure damage.
Damn. Still multi-target. Yeah.
Engaging multiple targets.
Somehow that didn't
I hear ya.
do what I thought it was gonna do.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
There that goes. Perfect.
Knocked out a vehicle.
Yes, Commander. Aye, aye.
Gonna need you to hose him, Dekker.
Firing all weapons.
Commander. Orders. Waiting for orders. Affirmative.
Yeah, why the hell not?
Engaging target. Enemy mech destroyed.
What can I do for you?
Let's see here. Is that just those two idiots over there, or three idiots? Yeah? Perfect.
Moving out.
Yeah. Cool off.
Orders? I copy. Got a lock.
That's two gone. That's 10 at me. You're fine. You're fine. You shrugged off worse.
Yes, Commander.
I think I'm gonna... Yeah. How's it?
Engaging target.
Good to go.
Yeah, some's gotta give.
On my way.
Why not?
Engaging with target. Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Let's see. Yeah.
Got it. When I shoot you, you'll take it and like it.
Oof. That was scary.
Ready for orders.
Actually, can I? Can I even?
Position confirmed.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. I forgot about you. Ah, I have to get the send. I have to get her out of there somehow.
I'm showing minor damage.
No, you're not.
Standing by.
Don't be a brave girl for me. Actually, where's that other guy? You're kind of out there.
Aye, aye.
Fire.
Fired on target.
Yeah.
Engaging target.
good to go. Got it.
Yeah. You're gonna shoot the Centurion, are you? No, right back at the Thunderbolt. Thank fuck. Okay.
Standing by. I've got a sensor lock.
That's it. Take all the punishment.
Receiving you. Heading out.
Hose him.
Taking the shot.
Yeah. Some jokes just write themselves.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Waiting for orders. You betcha.
Found you all that.
Time to die. Another hit like that and you're toast.
Uh-oh. Yeah, they're gunning for that scent. They really
Minimal
don't want
damage
her.
on that hit.
Good to go. Moving out. Sensors locked on.
Orders. Got it.
Fuck it.
Affirmative.
Ooh! Oh,
Target's
she's
taking a
nasty
critical
with
hit.
it. I don't think I could. I don't think I wanna. Yeah. Actually.
Engaging target. Enemy mech
Do that little
destroyed.
death bobble. And you.
Waiting on you, Commander.
I want you to punch that face in his face.
Ah! And
Damn.
Mission successful.
Knocked his block off. Wowie. Yeah. All that destruction was done in the center torso. Damn. I could sell another generator, I guess. What else is there? Confirm. Let's go.
That mech you wanted is back online.
Yeah. Go Going to the stove. Go to the stove. Go to the stove. Go to the stove. I got 2 milli. 2 milli. You could probably grab. No. As much as I want to believe I can afford that, I cannot afford a king crab. Are you fucking nuts? Now, if I could find some more Marauder 3D parts, and 3D, right? Here, let me check you out. Yeah, 3R, my bad. Might as well scrap these two while I'm at it. Let's get another repair. What other contracts is there to do? Robbery, fiction. Oh shit, we gotta get the fuck out of here. It's getting stale. Star map. Travel contract. Apian, Bellafrone, Bellerophone. Some more black markets over here. Travel cost. Taurian Concordat. I might have some more opportunities over here. Let's go check it out.
Roger that, Commander. Course plotted.
Engines prime.
We got some money throw our weight around. Yeah? Yeah.
I wrapped up that job you asked for, Commander.
Sweet. Pirates ambushed you. Argo blaring klaxons interrupt an otherwise quiet morning routine as several fast-moving ships appear pacing the Argo. Darius approaches. You're flying through our space range. It's awfully dangerous out here. Just awful, especially for a ragged-looking ship like the Argo. Tell you what, we'll provide you with safe passage for a price, of course. Well, you consider your options. Smear pipes up, Commander. If you can buy me some time, I could do a rapid fire up with the leopard. That'll teach him not to mess with us. I really don't like this fucking extortion shit they're doing right now. Swan, your pride, you approved the payment. The look of disappointment in Samir's face that echoes that of the rest of the bridge, the crew. Adding insult to injury, the speaker drips down with satisfaction. A wise decision, Commander. You're welcome in our space at any time. As the pirate ships disappear into the star, it's not the first time you find yourself wishing the Argo was a battleship. Damn. What a shithead. Yeah. Sometime.
Hey boss, we've just completed those upgrades.
What else can we do? Drive system. I don't really need to worry about mech warriors yet. You might be useful, but let me
All right, I'll get the team on
power
it right
system
away.
up. There. Oh, and I forgot. Mech warriors. Can I train you?
Waiting.
Waiting.
Stand.
Orders.
Train you. Reset. Yeah.
Mech warrior training complete.
Waiting for orders. Receiving you.
Forward. On to stupidity.
All hands, make ready for docking maneuvers.
Ready to go over financials whenever you are.
You know what? Why not? We've been doing pretty good so far. No techs, no mechs. After receiving a troubling message from Yang, you rush down to the mech bay. Yang pushes between a mob of mech warriors and mech techs entangled in a shoving match as the Thunderbolt's feet. A message welded into the Thunderbolt's torso reads, no techs, no mechs. You depend on us. A scrawny mech tech with a black eye shoves a wrench at mech jockeys to emphasize every word. We deserve respect, and that means a raise. I'll give you what you deserve. Dekker rushes forward, but Glitch and Yang pull him back from the tech. We're the ones risking our necks. Yang raises his voice before anyone else can. Shut your traps, all of you. How do you want to handle this, boss? Well, shit. I actually have no idea what the fuck is going on here. Also, real quick question. Who the fuck decided to carve no text, no mechs into my goddamn Thunderbolt? Fuck you. You know you're not wrong. You approach the mech text, taking a deep breath. We do depend on you. You bend down and pick up a scorched remnant of the Thunderbolt's center torso crumbles between your fingers, and that's alarming, given what I've seen here today. There's one thing to voice your dissent, but your there we go. Have endangered our pilots and cost this company who knows how much. If you learn to air out your grievances like professionals, you could stand to earn a lot more. They grumble, though they return to their stations. Dekker gloats. Some of the mech techs don't bother hiding their disdain for you, and Dekker glaring openly. Later that night, Yang brings a bottle of whiskey to your quarters. The mech techs are dragging their feet, but they'll snap out of it. Give them a month to gripe, and they'll get tired of yapping and get back to work. He fills their glasses. The two of you share a drink in silence. Yeah, well, don't fucking carve anything into the Thunderbolt except for my fucking initials. Got it? God. You're lucky I didn't jettison you out the fucking airlock. Breaking my shit. That is a couple million C-bills right there. Do you have a couple million C-bills lying around? Because I sure don't. The fuck?
Looks like we've arrived, Commander.
Alright. What do they got going on? A bunch of the same stuff it looks like, but they have an Orion sitting around, so that's pretty cool. What about the black market? A bunch of the same old. Battlemaster, 1G, that's a pretty good find. That's a pretty good find. A fucking Stalker, that's also a pretty good find. A full Warhammer, that's expensive. Some more Victor parts, but I don't really care about Victors. Highlanders I might actually give a shit about if I could afford it, but I can't afford it, so I can't really give a shit about it. I mean, having an Atlas would be really cool, but alas, what the fuck am I supposed to do with an Atlas? I don't even think I could do anything with the... whatever. What do we have? Settling a grudge. Canopus against pirates. Okay. Okay. Intelligence agent. Escaping a sky. There's a squiggly here. What does that squiggly mean? That's a pretty good amount. Yeah. I think I'll do that. It's been the running theme today. People fuming over bullshits. Okay. Yeah, this better be Dekker. You've got a huge fucking mouth on you.
Command interface initiated.
You've arrived at the location or employer specified. Commander, move forward, acquire a target, lance, and light him up. Keep an eye out for reinforcements. I get the impression these folks are a bit twitchy.
Let's get to fighting.
Yeah, speaking of twitchy, we'll have to figure that out in the next episode. Have a good one. Stay safe.